So this is the other playhouse, same as Asia Gas. I just on pink color.
Oh, look what they did. They put a piece of metal here now. That's what I should do. See the piece of metal?
Yeah, to protect. So
see, it was right here. That's where the thing was hitting right there. And
so
now
this
it's
is
right here.
how it looks like. When it's bare, that's the board.
Yeah.
Can I yeah, it comes with a cute swing.
Wow, look up there.
Yeah.
It looks a lot different, don't it, Bobo?
Yeah. Close it at a good hand.
Hey, look.
But this ain't like hers is something different.
Mine is fine.
Come on, let's look at this one. Want to look at the brown one?
Yeah.
So this is the name, and here is the price and the tax. Slows is Amish sheds. So if you want to buy this, yeah, it's the same as Asia. This is the vacant or bare. The bare kind house. And this is all. That's all. And there's many more here. Many more. Different kind. If you want something for your swimming pool, you can have this one. And that's their office in that building. Oh, this one is sold. A shade. So, where is it? Nice. Asia have white color. You have the white colored one.